Hello students, so let's solve question number 3. Okay, so first of all, let's read the question. So question number 3 says, identify the operations. So we are going to identify the operation. That means we are going to find whether it is addition, subtraction, division or multiplication. Understood? So first of all, we are going to identify what kind of operations is used in forming the following expressions. So they will be giving us some expressions and we are going to find the type of operation that is used. Understood? And tell how the expressions have been formed. Then after finding the kind of operation used in the expression, we are going to find again how the expressions have been formed. Okay, so for every question, for every expression, we will have two answers. One answer is for finding the kind of operation used and the other answer is for finding how the expressions have been formed. Understood? So here is our first expression, z plus a. So we are going to start from here. Okay, so let's solve this question. So students, here is our first question. So let's look at the first expression. Okay, the first expression is z plus 1. Z plus 1 is our first expression. So in this expression z plus 1, first we have to find the kind of operation used. Understood? So kind of mathematical operation used in this expression is, what is this? Yes, addition, right? So our answer will be like this. The operation is addition. Okay, so type of operation used in this expression is addition. Then after that, we are going to find how this expression z plus 1 is formed. Okay, so the expression z plus 1 is formed how? It is very simple. When 1 is added to the variable, yes, z. Okay, so the expression is formed. The expression is formed when, yes, when the number 1 is added to, yes, to the variable z. Understood? So this is the answer for our first expression. Next, we have to find for the expression z minus 1. Okay, so instead of this 1, our expression is z minus 1. So first of all, we have to find the kind of operation that is used in this expression. Okay, so just by looking at this expression, we know that the operation used in this expression is, yes, subtraction, right? Subtraction. Then how is this expression z minus 1 formed? It is very simple, right? The expression z minus 1 is formed when the number 1 is, when 1 is subtracted from, yes, when 1 is subtracted from the variable z. Understood? Very good. Next, let's try our next expression. So instead of z, our next expression involves, first of all, let me write this answer. Okay, so our next expression is y plus 17, right? This is our next expression. So how is this? Before finding how is this expression formed, first we have to find operation, right? So if operation used in this expression is, yes, it is addition. It's very simple, right? Then how is this expression formed? Y plus 17. The expression is formed when the number 17 is added 2. And what is the variable here? Yes, the variable y. Understood? Next, let's try our last expression. So instead of this plus, we have given minus here. Y minus 17. It's very simple, right? So, first of all, let's write the operation. The operation used in this expression is, yes, subtraction. Subtraction. Then, how is this expression formed? The expression is formed when the number 17 is subtracted from whom? Yes, from the variable y. Understood? So this is how we are going to solve this question. Okay, next let's try our question number B. Next we have question number B, and they have given us how many expressions? 1, 2, 3 expressions, right? They have given us 3 expressions. So let's try to write answers for these expressions. So our first expression is 17y. Okay, our first expression is 17y. So the first answer that we need to find is, yes, the operation, right? The operation, the kind of mathematical operation used in these expressions. But as we can see from these expressions that we cannot see any mathematical operation, right? There is no plus, no minus here. So remember what I told you last time, when there is no expression, when we do not see any operation between your variable and between number, we must know that there is a, yes, multiplication. Understood? Multiplication. So the operation involved is multiplication. Okay, then next is we are going to find how is this expression formed. So the expression is formed. The expression is formed when. So how is this expression formed? It is very simple, right? The expression 17y is formed when the variable y is multiplied by, yes, by the number 17. So when y is multiplied by, yes, by the number 17. Understood? Next, let's try our next expression. Let's try our next expression. So our next expression is, yes, y by 17. This is our next expression. Y by 17. So first of all, we have to find the operation used in this expression. And what is the operation used? Yes, it is division, right? The operation used is division. Next, how is this expression y by 17 formed? The expression y by 17 is formed when, yes, when y is divided, right? When the variable y is divided by, yes, by 17. Understood, student? Very good. Next, let's try our last expression. Our last expression is 5z. Okay, 5z. So this also, first of all, we have to find the kind of operation used, right? So as we can see from this expression that we cannot see any operation. There is no visible operation between your variable and the number, right? So in such case, we must know that there is a, yes, multiplication. Understood? So the operation is multiplication. Then the expression is formed when, so how is this expression formed? It is formed when, yes, when the variable z is multiplied by, yes, by the number 5. Understood, student? Next, let's try our next question number C. Next, student, here is our expression for question number C. So our first expression is 2y plus 17. Okay, 2y plus 17. So, like question number A and question number B, the first thing that we need is, yes, we need to find the operation used in this expression. Okay, so our answer will be the operations. The operations. So in this expression, we will see that there is the kind of operation used will be more than one. So the operations are understood. So let's look at this value 2, 1. So as we can see, 2 and 1, between this variable and number there is no sign, right? We cannot see any sign. So we must know that there is a, yes, multiplication sign. So here the operation used will be multiplication. Multiplication. And and here there is also one more operation, right? And this operation is, yes, addition. So the operations are here multiplication and here addition, right? So two kinds of operations are used in this expression. Next, what we need to find is how is this expression formed, right? So the expression the expression is formed. The expression is formed when, so how is this expression formed? First of all, right, the first of all is the variable y is multiplied by the number 2. Okay, so the expression is formed when y is multiplied by 2, right? When y is multiplied by 2, then we will get 2y. After that, this number 17 is added, right? And 17 is added to the, yes, to the product. Okay, so this is the answer for the first expression. Next, we have one more expression, that is 2y minus 17. So instead of this plus, here they have written minus 17. Okay, so the operations are, the first operation will be same, right? Multiplication, so same. Next, and instead of addition, here they have written minus sign, right? So this will be subtraction. Understood, student? Subtraction. Then after that, the expression. So first of all, when y is multiplied by 2, will remain the same, right? Why? Because 2y, same. So this part will remain the same. And here, 17, instead of added, they have written minus sign, right? So this will be 17 is, yes, subtracted. 17 is subtracted from the product. Okay, instead of to the product, it will be from the product. From the product. So this is the answer. Understood? Let's try our last question. So students, we have one more question. And these are the expressions. Okay, so let's try to solve. Our first expression is 7m. Okay, 7m. So, like question number A, B, and C, first of all, let's try to find the operation. So the operation is, so students, can you tell me what kind of operation is used in this expression? Yes, it is multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Next is, how is this expression formed, right? So the expression is formed. The expression is formed when, yes, m is multiplied, right? When m is multiplied by the number 7. Okay, next, let's try our next expression. So our next expression is minus 7m plus 3. Minus 7m plus 3. So this is our next expression. Understood? So listen carefully, students. Many students will make mistake when they write answer for this and this expressions. Okay? Many students will make mistake. So listen to me very carefully so that you won't make the same mistake. Okay? So first of all, we have to write the operation, right? So the operations. So this also, the operation will be more than one. So we put S. Operations are. Okay, the operations are. So the kind of mistakes that most of the students will make is that first they will write the operation as, what is this sign? Minus sign, right? So they will write the operations are, they will start with subtraction first. Okay, they will start with subtraction. So student, if you write the operation involved in this expression starting with subtraction, then your answer will be completely wrong. Okay, this minus is not the kind of operation involved in this expression. This minus is for the number minus 7. Understood? Minus 7. So the kind of operation used in this expression will be, so between the variable m and between number minus 7, there is, yes, multiplication, right? So we must start with multiplication. Okay, multiplication. Then after that, n. So what is the sign here? Yes, addition, right? Addition. Understood, student? This minus is not the operation. This minus is for the number minus 7. Understood? So don't make the same mistake. Next, we are going to find how is this expression formed, right? So the expression is formed when, so first of all, let's try to find for this, when m is multiplied by, and what number? Yes, minus 7. Okay, then after that, n. What is this number here? 3, right? And 3 is, what is this sign? Addition. Okay, so and 3 is added to the, yes, to the product. Understood, student? Next, we have one more expression. So all the values remain the same. Instead of this plus, here they have returned minus, right? So this also the operation multiplication will be same, and instead of addition, you just have to change into, yes, subtraction. Then this also first part will remain the same, and instead of added to the product, you have to change, yes, and 3 is subtracted. from, yes, from the, when 3 is subtracted from the product. Understood, student? So that's it for this video. I hope you all understood and enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. And please feel free to leave any comment. I will see you all in the next video. Stay home, stay safe everyone. Please do take care.